Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel.
Today, we're diving into a really important topic, understanding our own bodies and reproductive health.
Have you ever heard of fertility awareness methods, or FAM? It's a movement all about empowering women with knowledge about their own cycles. Think of it as learning the unique language your body speaks every single month. It's not just about periods. It's about understanding the entire symphony of hormones that guide your cycle. One of the most well-known methods within this movement is basal body temperature tracking, or BBT. It sounds technical, but it's actually pretty straightforward. Your basal body temperature is your body's lowest resting temperature, which you measure first thing in the morning before you even get out of bed.
The idea is to track this temperature every single day.
Over the course of your cycle, you'll start to see a pattern. Typically, after ovulation occurs, there's a slight but sustained rise in your BBT.
By charting this daily, you can begin to identify when ovulation has likely happened.
It's like creating a personal map of your fertility month by month.
Another approach gaining a lot of attention is the FEMM method, which stands for Fertility Education and Medical Management.
FEM takes a comprehensive look at your cycle by teaching you to observe and chart specific biological signs or biomarkers. These aren't just about temperature.
FEMM teaches you to recognize changes in things like cervical fluid throughout your cycle.
These observable signs are directly linked to your hormone levels, particularly estrogen and progesterone.
By learning to identify these patterns, you can get a clearer picture of your hormonal health and understand what is happening at each phase of your cycle.
It's about connecting the dots between how you feel and the hormonal shifts happening inside you.
Now let's talk about a topic that's on many people's minds, conceiving after 35. It is a common conversation, and there's a lot of information out there.
While it's true that fertility naturally changes as we age, knowledge is power. Understanding your unique cycle becomes even more valuable. Methods like BBT and FEM aren't just for a specific age group. They are tools for anyone who wants to learn more about their body. By paying close attention to your body's signals, you can get a better sense of your individual fertile window. This knowledge helps you understand your personal timing, which is a key piece of the puzzle, no matter your age. The more you know about your own rhythm, the more informed you can be on your journey.
So, what's the big takeaway from all this? Fertility awareness methods are fundamentally about education and body literacy. It's about shifting from passively experiencing your cycle to actively understanding it. Whether you use an app, a simple chart, or a dedicated program like FEMM,
the goal is the same: to listen to your body and learn its patterns. This journey of self-discovery can be incredibly empowering, providing insights that go far beyond just fertility. It's about building a deeper connection with your health and well-being. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope this gave you some valuable insights into the world of fertility awareness. If you found this helpful,
please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on women's health and wellness.
See you in the next one.